So the role of the blower is to inject air into our lagoons. That's why they're called aerated lagoons, okay? Now to adjust the blower, okay, because these blowers here are variable speed, so we adjust how fast we want the blower, or do we have to start another blower? To determine that, we have to take what we call the dissolved oxygen in the lagoons. This apparatus here, okay, is going to help us take the measurement of dissolved oxygen in the lagoons. So we have to start off by calibrating it. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to put the probe in 100% saturated air. So I filled up this little bottle with water, and the probe is just slightly above the water. So all we have to do is just press on the button marked calibrate, and it will do it all by itself. It takes a while, okay? Sometimes it takes 15, 20 minutes, but we will see the bar graph go up, and it will stabilize when it's done. So let's go outside and let's go take some readings. Okay, so here in Quebec, we have aerated lagoons. They're very, very friendly for vegetation. We have 2 lagoons with 2 cells in each. So we have cell number 1, cell number 2, cell number 3, and cell number 4. It's very important for dissolved oxygen that we have at least 2 milligrams per liter throughout the lagoons. Okay, so we know that the load, the pollutant load is heavier in lagoon 1 and 2 than it would be in 3 and 4. So we're going to go take our reading at the end of lagoon number 2 in the manhole, and then we'll come back and do the reading at the effluent of lagoon number 4. Like we said before, we have to maintain at least 2 milligrams per liter throughout the lagoons. Right now, we're at 1.24 and it's still going down a bit. So that tells us that and it's already stopped. So we have 1.24 milligrams per liter. So that means we don't have enough oxygen going into our lagoons. So we're gonna have to increase the speed of our blowers. Once we get up to 100% on one blower, if that's not enough, we can turn on another blower. Okay, so this is done for here. Now we'll go to the effluent and we'll see what reading we got there. So here we have 7.43. So we have plenty of oxygen on this side. So that's why it's important not just to take readings at the effluent, because the readings will always be higher here than they'll be at the beginning of the treatment. So always try to take it either at the exit of all lagoons. So we're gonna go increase the capacity of the blowers. Okay, so we've taken our dissolved oxygen. We were okay at the effluent, but we weren't okay at the exit of lagoon number 2, because we had 1.24 when we know that we have to be a minimum of 2. So right now we're gonna go on the other side. It's gonna make a little bit of noise, and we're going to adjust the blower. Right now we're set at 45 hertz, when 100% will be 60 hertz. So we'll put the blower up to 60 hertz. Tomorrow we'll come back, do another reading. If we still see that we're below 2, then we'll have to start a second blower. But we'll go up and put this blower at least at 100%.